Hello, this is Version V Studio. You can support us and get full resolution artwork in this video. Have a nice day and enjoy the video. To start a design, we have to start from a basic. Every sketch start with a point will be developed into a stroke, and a stroke into a shape. Imagine that the basic shape is a piece of clay. When slicing that clay, we have any complex 3D shape. The angle between the surfaces of the clay after slicing will show more about the characteristic of the design. To start a concept, choosing a general shape for it is the most important part. In this concept, the sphere shape combined with the sharp surface is the main design language. It also follows the proportion of human head and base on the appearance of skull. When the main ideas were formed, we will dive more into the detailed design. Follow the main idea as the beginning. The concept will start with a perfect sphere. Then, slice two sides of the sphere. We will get a more interesting shape and it start to look more like the upper rounded part of the skull. Adding the bottom part of the skull will use different design language. With this section, we will use sharp surface to make the highlight of the concept. Finally, adding a jaw to make the design look aggressive, and we can add more function after that. To increase the detail of the surface, there are a series of small details that will help to make the surface look more complex. So now, why do we choose this design language? First, upper sphere will make a lot of room the inside component like sensors, processor or something like that. Second, the sharp bottom part will make the design look aggressive and increase the aerodynamic ability. The aggressive jaw is not just a cosmetic detail. It's a part of cooling system which will connect to the processor and heat/information transfer via flat cable. The side of the design is designed for a sensor system which will provide 360-degree vision and in-battle forecast. After sketching, let dot into line art to make the design clear and easy for coloring process.